Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to save and get alerts for targeted on cash. These are limited time discount like $5 of DoorDash or $10 of Starbucks, and they were based on your personal spending habits. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the cash app. Then tap the cash card icon at the top bottom of the screen. It look like a card with a dollar sign or your custom digit. Next, tap the post right under the card image. You will see a list of posts. Some are general and other are targeted just for you based on what you usually spend on. Target post will offer show popular brands name like Uber Eats, McDonald's, or allocated gas station. Now tap on any post you like with more details. If you want to see it, just tap activate a post. Remember, you only have one post activate at that. You can swap them however you want. Get notified when new or special posts are available. Turn on your notification. Go to profile icon top to right, then tap notification and make enable promotion offers is turn it on. Also go to your phone's settings, apps, cache app, notifications, and make sure notifications are allowed for current updates. Optionally, don't forget to check your email too. Cash App sometimes send exclusive boost through email. Just make sure your email is verified and that their message don't land in your spam folder. That's for today. If you find this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.